Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. My dear friend is suffering from migraines, so this week I'm going to show you acupressure points for migraine. Migraine is a severe case of headache and it often shows up on one side of the head and accompanied by blurred vision, pounding sensation, nausea, and the physical activity will make it worse. Press these points for 1 minute as you breathe deeply. The first one is on your hand. If you are pregnant, do not press this point until after the due date because it can cause labor. You can press all the other ones in this video. Close your thumb and index finger. It's at the end of the crease. This is called large intestine 4 or LI4. Press this point towards the index finger bone. This point is good for any kind of pain because it produces endorphins, also known as natural painkiller hormone. The next one is in the corner of the forehead, where the forehead and hairline meet. This is called stomach 8 or SD8. Some instructions say half the thumb width from the hairline. To be exact, it's 4.5 thumb widths or 4.5 suns from the center where the nose line and the hairline meet. You can also use 4 fingers, which is the same as 3 thumbs or 3 suns, and 2 fingers, which is the same as 1.5 thumb or 1.5 sun. I think it's simpler to imagine you have a straight hairline across and down, and it's in the corner. Find the depression in the center at the base of the skull. Move to the side and go over the big ropey muscle, which is trapezius, and there's a depression. These are called GB20 or gallbladder 20. You can press or circle to stimulate these points using hook thumbs, fingertips, overlapped fingertips, or with free thumbs by weaving fingers. The last one is on the top of the foot. Go up the valley between the pinky and fourth toe, and it's where the finger stops. This is called gallbladder 41 or GB41. If you have a hard time reaching your foot, use a tool such as pencil eraser to press these points. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.